So, you've got a video lecture project on your plate. If hearing that makes you feel a mix of, oh, this could be cool, and also, oh no, the tech part, then you are in exactly the right place. Let's break down how to knock this assignment out of the park, one step at a time.
Okay, so the assignment is real. A 10, maybe 13-minute video lecture. You've got to merge your spoken analysis with some solid visuals. And yeah, if you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed by all the different parts, I get it. You are definitely not the only one.
We're going to build a roadmap for this thing, from the very beginning to the final polished product. But before we even think about opening a piece of software, we have to talk about the one core idea that's going to make or break your entire project.
First things first. Seriously, before you click a single button, before you even dream of hitting record, we need to talk about the absolute foundation of this whole thing, your argument.
This right here, this is the golden rule. Burn it into your brain. The tech is there to help you. You are not there to serve the tech. A fancy, slick-looking video that's built on a shaky argument is, well, it's still a shaky argument. Your ideas have to be the star of the show. Always. The tools just help you tell that story better.
Okay, so once you have that strong, clear argument locked down, it's time to build the stage for it. And that brings us to your visual foundation, your slide deck. Let's check out a few of the top contenders.
Your choice here really just comes down to your personal style. For that classic, no-nonsense academic presentation, PowerPoint is old reliable. If you want to add some visual sparkle and get a really polished design, Canva is your best friend. And if you're all about getting feedback and working with others, Google Slides is the undisputed king.
Think of PowerPoint as your trusty all-in-one toolbox. It keeps everything, your slides, your voiceover, and the final video export all tucked away neatly in one place. It's super straightforward.
Now, Canva is where you go when you want to get a little more creative with the visuals. Its templates can actually make your slides feel like the book or poem you're analyzing. Plus, it has a recording feature built right in, which is awesome.
And Google Slides, well, its superpower is teamwork. It is by far the easiest way to send a draft over to your professor or a friend for some quick feedback. Just keep in mind, you will need to use a separate program to actually record your voice.
All right, your slides are looking good and your argument is razor sharp, so what's next? It's time to actually capture your spoken analysis. Let's look at the tools that'll help you record your awesome lecture. We've got 3 great choices here, and they each have their own special talent. Zoom is super familiar and gives you that live lecture feel. Loom is all about being fast and user-friendly. And Screencast-O-Matic? That's for when you want to get in there and edit things to perfection. I mean, we've all lived on Zoom for a while now, right? So this one's easy. You can just start a meeting with yourself, share your screen with your slides up, and hit record. It captures everything together and gives you one video file at the end. Couldn't be simpler.
Loom is a total speed demon. You hit record, give your lecture, and the second you stop, a shareable link is copied to your clipboard, ready to go. There's no waiting for uploads or processing. It is a true game changer if you're short on time.
But what if you mess up a word or your cat jumps on the keyboard mid-sentence? That's where a tool like Screencast-O-Matic is a lifesaver. It lets you record and then easily trim out any mistakes, helping you create a really clean and polished final video.
You've built the slides, you've recorded your voice, and you have that beautiful final video file ready to go. We're on the home stretch. Let's talk about that last super important step, actually submitting your work.
The easiest way to turn this in is usually YouTube. And the magic word you need to know is unlisted. It's not public, so strangers can't find it, and it's not private, so your professor doesn't need a password. It just means that only the people you share the specific link with can watch your video. Perfect for assignments.
The whole process is just 4 easy steps. 1. Upload your video to YouTube. 2. Set the privacy to unlisted. 3. Copy the special link it gives you. And 4. Paste that link into your assignment submission box. And you're done.
Okay, we've gone over a lot of different tools today. But let's zoom out one last time and get back to the big picture, the real why behind all of this in the first place.
After all this talk about software and links and settings, what are we really trying to do here? What's the end game? It all boils down to this. Your goal isn't to be a software expert. It's to use the software to make your ideas clearer, to put a huge spotlight on your key points, and to guide your audience step by step through your way of seeing things. The tech is just the vehicle for your brilliant thoughts.
And let's end on this final thought because it's really important. Don't feel like you need to use the most complicated tool to impress anyone. The absolute best projects are the ones where the technology feels invisible, where it just works perfectly with your analysis to get your point across. Go with what you're comfortable with and just let your ideas shine. You got this. Good luck.